How to private Instagram account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss about switching your Instagram account to private account. So now let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. And once you're there, tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the three horizontal lines to access the settings. Drag your attention to who can see your content section, and there you will see the option of account privacy. That is the initial option over here. Tap on it, and here you will see the option of private account. Toggle the switch to make your account private. A pop-up will prompt you to confirm your choice and tap on switch to private. So what happens when you switch to a private account? Only your approved followers can view your posts, stories, and reels. You will need to manually approve new follow requests, and your account will not be visible in search results for non-followers. To make your account public again, you can toggle off the private account option. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.